What I realized over time, I've been in service for almost 33 years. Anytime we seem to be succeeding, somebody throws something at us. And the question is, why? But you see, what we don't want is somebody sitting down somewhere and just assuming that things are happening when they are not. And that's one of the reasons why I came here, and I had the privilege of being here with Al Jazeera, and I want to say a big thank you. It's an opportunity to also present our countries. That please, people should understand that we're fighting a war. We need everybody to put hands together. Let us succeed. And the asymmetric warfare we're dealing with is not only to Nigeria alone. West Africa, the Sahelian area, and in fact, if actions are not taken, it's going to engulf the entire world. Like I told you, what I realized over time, I've been in service for almost 33 years. Anytime we seem to be succeeding, somebody throws something at us, and the question is why? Is it because we're succeeding, or you don't want the country to move forward? What is the aim? What's the intent? That's the question we're asking.
Now, onye na-ekwu ihe a kịta, onye kwuru ihe a kịta bụ this General Musa. Ọ dị ka nyanwa bụ ife kwuru ihe a kịta na ụbọchị kịta. Voice anyị nọ kịta bụ General Musa kwuru ife a. So jụọ onwe gị, kedu ife ji gọọmenti mụ na gị na-abụ end the terrorism na-aga ọnụ na Nigeria? Kedu ife mee na fa adị agbasi mbọ ike? Kedu ife mee na ndị amị anyị n'usoro ndị ọgụ obere oge asabotaji ya the thing? You know that na-agbara ndị amị Nigeria woto. Kedu onye na-enye ndị a information? Do you understand me? Kedu onye na-enyefe information? Okay, what is going on? Here are a lot of ajụjụ Nigerians say ajụ. Kedu ife bụ that na na-ebu Nigerian citizen, but the government that supposed to protect life and properties are doing nothing. They don't even want it to be heard. They are just doing cover up. I don't know if you get my point. So who are those benefiting from this thing that is happening in Nigeria? And the Kedife and our president actually taking more effort and more pressure. I recently, from the chief of army staff in Igbo, because in the coming days, now getting with peace and calm. Let us hope so. You get my point. But the question remains this. Ndị niile afọ ewepụtara afọ from Dubai dị involved na terrorism, ma nke ndị Nigeria release, kedu ebe fancha niile nọ? Epese ekutugo ndị dị etu a. Because aka some people nọ na gọọmenti anyị dị na destiny floketa na-eme na Nigeria. That is the simple truth. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ General Musa bụ ife kwuru ya. Danjuma go something like that. Yotago Martins Onovo or something like that. So what is really going on? Does it mean that the Nigerian state have a little life?